If you're on the hunt for a gaming desk that promises sleek design and powerful features, you've probably stumbled upon the 7 Warrior L-shaped desk. But here's what surprised me. Despite a solid 4.6-star rating, this desk isn't the dream setup you might expect. In fact, there are some quirks and issues that you won't hear about in most reviews. So before you click buy, stick around because I'm about to reveal the real story behind the 7 Warrior L-shaped desk that every gamer and remote worker needs to know. Ready to find out if it's worth your money or a fancy paperweight? Let's dive in. Now, imagine setting up your ultimate gaming battle station or productive workspace with a desk that boasts a built-in power strip, RGB lighting, and adjustable shelves. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the twist. While this desk checks a lot of boxes on paper, the reality isn't always picture perfect. So if you're someone who craves both style and substance in your setup, keep watching because I've got the nitty-gritty details that might just change your mind. First off, who is this desk really for? The 7 Warrior L-shaped desk targets gamers and multitaskers who need ample space, power connectivity, and a cool aesthetic to match. Whether you're dialing in on intense gaming sessions or need a versatile work area for 2 people, the desk promises to deliver a roomy corner unit that adapts. It even has reversible assembly options, meaning you can switch up the shape to fit your room. Pretty handy if your gaming lair doubles as an office. So let me start with the highlights because, hey, it isn't all doom and gloom. This desk's most impressive feature is undoubtedly its built-in charging station. It includes a 4-outlet power strip, 2 USB ports, and even a Type-C port. This setup can power up to 7 devices simultaneously. Think phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming gear all charged and ready. No rat's nest of cables in sight. If you're tired of fishing behind your desk for plugs, this alone is a game changer. Plus, the RGB LED lights with app control add a vibrant vibe to your space, offering 12 different lighting modes and memory function to keep your preferred glow on startup. But here's the problem. While the charging station is sleek in theory, it comes with a few caveats. For starters, the location of the power strip can be awkward to access depending on where you position the desk. And the Type-C port, although a nice addition, runs at standard charging speeds, so don't expect turbo-fast charging for your newest gadgets. Also, the LED lighting was a bit finicky out of the box. The app control, which sounds high-tech, can sometimes lag or fail to sync, which might leave you fiddling with your phone rather than focusing on your tasks or games. Rehook, wondering if these downsides seriously affect usability? Hold that thought. We'll get to the sturdiness and practical aspects next. User-friendly design is the big selling point here. The desk comes with reversible configuration, meaning you can set it up in an L shape or extend it into a longer straight desk. This flexibility sounds fantastic for couples or roommates who want to share a gaming or working space. Also, the overall size, 91.7 inches in length when extended, gives 2 people ample room without feeling cramped. And those 3-tier storage shelves, they're a welcome addition, providing space for consoles, files, or your massive book collection, who knew gamers were such readers. However, here's where assembly becomes a bit of an epic saga. Many users report that putting this desk together is no small feat. It's not a quick IKEA-style build. Screws and parts can be confusing, especially since the instruction manual is rather minimalist. If you're not the DIY type or lack patience, prepare for a couple of hours of trial and error. I half-joked that I nearly installed the headphone hook upside down. Good thing headphones don't judge. Stability is crucial for a desk meant for high-intensity activities or multiple monitors. The 7 Warrior desk claims durability thanks to its heavy-duty X-shaped legs and adjustable leg pads for uneven floors. And honestly, once fully assembled on a flat surface, it does feel sturdy enough not to wobble with intense keyboard pounding or frantic mouse flicks. But, and there always seems to be a but, the desk's height, pegged at 29 inches for the L-shaped setup, is not adjustable. This might not sound like a big deal, but if you're taller or shorter than average, you might need to add risers or a separate ergonomic chair to avoid slouching. Plus, the monitor stand, while helpful for posture, feels a bit narrow and cramped for larger ultra-wide displays. Rehook, want to know if the storage shelves and accessories really add value or just clutter your space? Keep watching. Speaking of storage, the three-tier shelves can be positioned on either side, adapting to your layout needs. These shelves come in handy for stashing gaming consoles, speakers, or organizational bins. The desk also includes a cup holder and a headphone hook, little touches that show the designers were thinking about practical gamer needs. After all, who hasn't spilled a drink while trying to clutch a victory? A neat joke here. Why did the gamer bring a broom to the desk? Because he heard it needed a little dusting after so many snacks. Still, some reviewers mention that the shelves aren't made from the sturdiest materials, so overweight items can cause them to sag over time. The cup holder also attaches in a way that some people found awkward or in the way when sliding chairs in and out. This is one of those minor design flaws that doesn't outright ruin the desk, but definitely dents the polish. On the aesthetic front, the matte black finish looks sleek and modern and blends well in most gaming or office setups. The RGB lighting adds a splash of customizable color, making your battle station feel akin to a cockpit. However, it's probably not for those looking for a minimalist or classic office vibe. It's bold, it's gaming-centered, and it knows it. Rehook, curious if all these pros and cons stack up to a good buy. Let's wrap this up with the final verdict. So, should you buy the 7 Warrior L-shaped desk? Here's the honest take. If you're looking for a gaming desk with a solid size, integrated charging options, and a cool LED atmosphere, and you don't mind spending some time on assembly or dealing with minor design imperfections, this desk can absolutely upgrade your setup. It's stylish and functional enough for most gaming and multitasking needs, and comes with all the must-have features at a price that won't break the bank. However, if you prioritize adjustability, ultra sturdiness, or top-tier build quality, you might want to consider other desks with more ergonomic certifications or premium materials. Also, if you dislike fiddling with apps, the LED controls might get on your nerves more than brighten your room. To sum up, this desk is like the perfect gaming snack. It's there when you need it, packs a punch with features, but don't expect it to be gourmet fine dining. Still, it hits the spot. Before we wrap up, here's a quick joke for my fellow gamers. Why don't skeletons ever buy desks? Because they don't have the guts. Okay, maybe that one's boneheaded. If you want to grab the 7 Warrior L-shaped desk for yourself, check out the link in the description below for the best price on Amazon. Your ultimate gaming setup could be just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for honest reviews to help you make smarter purchases. And remember, the best desk is one that fits your style, space, and needs. Because after all, victory tastes better when you're comfortable. Now back to the gaming grind or crushing those work deadlines. Your call, champion.